My name is Sanu Babu. I am working as an integration architect with the Fluida Infosys. So today I am going to show you how to integrate Mulesoft with the DocuSign. So in order to work on this demo, you need to have a DocuSign developer account set up, and you need to have an idea on all the configuration. So before going to the demo, I will show you around. So this is the DocuSign developer account. So here you can find the home tab here and management tab, where you will receive all the envelopes. Then you can create your own template here. Then you have a reports tab. Then you have settings tab, and if you go to the integration section, you can find apps and keys here. Go to that, and so here you can create your own DocuSign app. Okay, so initially this area will be empty, so you need to create your app like this. Okay, then give your app name and create app. Okay, so you'll get a screen like this, where you'll have an app name, integration key, and environment, and other steps. And then you can find your user ID, API account ID, and account base URL here. Okay, and so initially then go to edit, and initially this will be empty secret key, so you need to create your own secret using add secret key, and then you need to provide your callback URI here. Okay, so I'm testing from local, so I'm just giving you localhost 8087 callback, and then integration key. Okay, so now go to the Mulesoft canvas. Okay, so I'm using envelopes, post envelopes, DocuSign connector. Okay, so properties, I'm just using the account ID only, so which will be your integration key. Okay, and then in advanced tab, nothing, no other headers or custom headers. Okay, and then you need to do your configuration, connector configuration. So create it, and then in the base URI you need to provide the base path from here. Okay, and slash rest API, and then consumer key and consumer secret. So consumer key is your integration key, and then consumer secret is your secret key. Okay, from here. Then these two cities, and then scope signature. Then you need to create your HTTP configuration. So I'm using HTTP using a signed certificate like this. Okay, and then slash callback and slash authorize. Okay, this regular, like all the configuration. Okay, and the external callback URI localhost 8087 slash callback. Okay, this is my external URI, and same is configured here. Okay, so once you done so you need to do the secret key and then callback URI. And another important thing is there are two types of authentication: authorization code grant and implicit grant. So in order to connect from Mulesoft to DocuSign, so you need to do the OAUTH one, authorization code grant. So if you're not try to connect from implicit grant, it won't work. Okay, and then save it. Okay, so now your DocuSign app is ready for testing. Okay, and so I will just walk you through the flow. Okay, so I'm just initially I'm just reading from a file from the local folder, sample document. Then here I'm just setting the account ID value. Okay, which is this one. Okay, and I'm just referring from a variable here. Okay, you can avoid that. And then the attachment, okay, what I'm reading, so I'm just serializing into payload and to append in the main request message. Okay, and then here I'm just creating the request message. Okay, so I'm just receiving the payload and appending into document base64 element. Okay, so one suggestion is, before jump starting here and making a lot of mistakes, you can do one thing: go to the API Explorer under DocuSign. It is coming under the developers.docusign.com. Okay, so here you can find two sections: API reference and API Explorer. Okay, so in API Explorer you can test your payload, and you can in case of any issues or anything, so you can this will show you the error. So likewise you can correct it, and just once you formatted and everything perfect, you can do a testing from here to see whether you are receiving that particular payload. So if it is everything okay, so you will receive envelopes like this. Okay, once you've done that, copy paste and paste it here and test it again and see whether it's working. Okay, then everything perfect, you can start receiving payload from the flow itself. Okay, so so that attachment serialized data will go to the document base 64 element. Okay, then I'm sending that payload to the DocuSign connector. DocuSign connector will, with the help of the account ID, so it will go to the DocuSign, my DocuSign inbox. Okay, so this is the working. So I'm already deployed the flow, so let's test it. Okay, so before testing, so you need to do the OAuth dance like this. You will receive a successful retrieved access token message. So to do that, so just use your URI, authorize. Okay, localhost port name and then port number and then authorize. Okay, just click it. You'll receive a message like this: successfully retrieved access token. Then you can initiate the testing. Just okay, this is my URL. Okay, and send. So I'm not receiving this paired. Okay, and so now I have received the message here. Okay, I'm going to read the document and then I'm just serializing it. Okay, so serializing it and then I'm creating the payload. Okay, and payload will be like this. Okay, what are the things data are serialized, I just assign to document base 64. Okay, with the rest of the content, JSON content, and I'm just sending it to DocuSign. Okay, now I have sent to DocuSign and let's see whether I saving it. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, so received the latest one. Okay, latest envelope. So now you just click on it and you can do the rest of the actions in under DocuSign. Okay, and let's see the post. Okay, it's still loading. We just complete it. Okay, it's done. So okay, let's see the response. Okay, this is the response you will receive from the DocuSign. You will have a envelope ID, URL, status, date, time, and status. Okay, and so this is the working of the flow and how to integrate Mulesoft to DocuSign. So I will quickly show you how's the received envelope look like. Go to inbox, and so this is the latest message received. Okay, and I'm going to sign the document. I have sent an Word document. Okay, so this is how the content look like. Click on continue and go down. Going to sign it. Okay, I have already configured this. Okay, so this is a very basic example of the workflow, how the DocuSign workflow look like. Okay, just click on finish. And it's done. Want to sign another document? No thanks. Okay, so going back to inbox. Okay, see now the document showing us completed. Okay, initially it will be like need to sign. Okay, so this is a very common very basic example of how to talk to DocuSign using Mulesoft. Okay, and you can enhance this one according to your requirement, and yeah, that's it. So in case of any questions or comments, please do let me know. Okay, thank you.